Bro, this camera is like freaking amazing. Come see, come walk with me. Oh shit.
I found the socks.
Huh?
Found the socks.
Socks. What the hell is that? I don't even see nothing. Dude, there ain't even nothing up there.
Those are jets.
Where?
Over there. No, hurry up. They're about to blast off.
Where?
And left.
Where? I didn't see him.
The jets are literally right there. Still blast.
Oh, I've never heard a fucking jet that loud.
Because that's a military jet.
It don't matter, bro.
I've never even seen a jet. You know why it was that
Oh,
loud?
that thing got the whole sky shaking.
You know
Like
why?
you could hear it like thunder.
You know why
What
it
is
was-
that up there? Look.
That's an eagle.
It's an eagle?
Yes.
Look at that. There's two of them.
Yeah.
That ain't no eagle. That's a hawk or something.
Oh, well, it's a bird.
Well, yeah, I know that.
Jet, you spy a bird.
I know that, dude. But I'm...
You know why? You know why it was so loud?
Why?
Because it was closer to us than it was to like the sky. Because if it was
If it was closer to us, why we didn't see it?